on the first touch team in the Hagerstown office. I'm going to show you how to locate your staple area of the machine and where you're going to replace your staples. The first one is a floor model finisher, and this machine has already been turned around. The HPs, the staple area is in the back of the machine. You're going to open the door on the back of the machine, and there is a turn area to remove the staple area, and it takes a bit to rotate this knob to get out the staple area. Then you're going to replace the staples, and for these machines you do not want to replace anything until the machine cartridge is empty. The next machine is an HP page wide. You're going to again look at the back of the machine for the HPs. There's a door on the back. You open the door, and inside a cartridge slides over, and you are not to take this out or reach into the machine until the staple cartridge is completely empty. If for some reason you notice or you're doing anything and there's staples in the machine, you will call our service area and we can provide you some assistance. The next machine is a Sharp, and you're going to, this is on the front of the machine, you're going to open this door, and there's a green handle. You're going to push in that handle to slide out this area of the machine, and once these staples are completely empty, there's a mechanism in there that will rotate out about 45 degrees, and then you'll go ahead and replace your staples. After you're finished, you shut the side and close the area, and you'll be ready to go. Now I'm going to show you how to find the staples and replace them in a Ricoh. You're going to open the left panel of the machine, and the staples are going to be located in this area. When it's time to replace the staples and they're empty, you're going to pull down on this green lever. The machine will start beeping, which is okay, and then when you're finished, you're going to leave the lever down and push this back in. But there's really nothing you can replace until the cartridge is completely empty. And once you're finished, you don't have to do anything else but put the cartridge in. You don't have to push anything in. Close the door, and the machine will reset and your staples are replaced.